In this video, you'll learn how to create characters in Higgsfield AI, a platform that allows you to generate unique characters using your own images. By the end of this tutorial, you will have successfully created a character ready for use in various applications. Begin by navigating to the Higgsfield AI website. Ensure your internet connection is stable, as a slow connection may affect loading times. Once the page loads, you will see options for AI video generator and image generator. Next, locate and click on the option labeled Character. This button will direct you to the character creation section. Upon clicking, the interface will refresh, displaying various character creation options which are essential for the next steps. After that, click on the button that says Make Your Own Character. This action will take you to a new screen where you can begin the character creation process. At this stage, it is important to have a clear idea of the character you want to create. Then, look for the option that states Generate Infinite Selfies in different styles using your own photos. Clicking this will allow you to upload your images, which are crucial for generating your character. The platform often requires high-quality images for the best results, so ensure your photos meet this criterion. Following this, click on the Create Character button. This action initiates the process of character generation based on the images you will provide. A confirmation message may appear indicating that the system is ready for your uploads. Now, you will see a prompt that says Upload 20+ for best results. It is advisable to upload a variety of images. The more diverse your images are in terms of angles and expressions, the better the final character will be. Next, you will be prompted to upload high-quality images of one person. The system works best when provided with clear images showing different angles and expressions. This helps the AI understand the character's identity more accurately. Ensure you adhere to this guideline for optimal results. After that, you will see a section labeled A Viable IDs T by piece of photos. It is crucial to follow these guidelines to ensure successful character creation. You should refrain from uploading duplicates, group shots, images with pets, or any photos featuring filters or accessories that obscure the face. Click on the option that specifies no duplicates, group shots, pets, nudes, filters, face covering accessories, or masks. This step is essential in maintaining the integrity of the character creation process. The system will guide you through acceptable photo types to achieve the best outcome. Once you've prepared your images, click on Upload Images. This action will allow you to select the high-quality photos you have gathered. Remember to check the file sizes before uploading, as larger files may take longer based on your internet speed. Finally, click on the Generate button. This will initiate the character creation process using the images you uploaded. Depending on the complexity of the images, you may need to wait a moment for the system to process and generate your character. A confirmation message will appear once the process is complete. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.